Do the second row. 1 times negative 2 plus 4 times negative 1. Now we'll move on to the third row. Negative 2 times 2 plus 3 times negative 1. Now we'll work out the other side of the matrices, which is 6 times 4 plus 0 times 3. Now the second row, 1 times 4 plus negative 4 times 3. And now the third row. Negative 2 times 4 plus 3 times 3. Now we'll combine those. 6 times 2, negative 2, is negative 12, plus 0 times negative 1 is 0. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2, plus 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Negative 2 times 2 is 4, while 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Now the second matrices, 6 times 4 is 24, and 0 times 3 is 0. 1 times 4 is 4, plus negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, and negative 2 times 4 is negative 8, plus 3 times 3, which is 9. Now if we add these together, we get the answer to the matrices, which is negative 12, negative 2, negative 1, now to the second matrices, 24, 8, negative 8, I'm sorry, and negative 1. That's how you do that. Just like that.
Cookie?
What are you doing, Trick Man? Get back down the stairs!
Moron. Now to make sure we didn't make any mistakes, we're going to send this to our Professore Tutori for double checking.
Oh, another letter from Professor X.
Oh, it looks like a Professor X has made a few mistakes. I put a couple dots where he made these mistakes. These 4 should be the negative 4 instead of the positive 4. And this 2 should be the negative 2 instead of the positive 2. Which makes this a positive 4. And this should be minus 3, not a plus 3. And then this becomes negative 2 minus negative 4. And when you come down here, you get the right answer. Except this should be a positive 1 instead of the negative 1. And that's how it is! It's a me, a Mario!
Types of matrices. I'll show you an easy matrice. Make up another problem. It'll be a square matrice. 1, 3, negative 4, negative 2. We'll multiply that by another square matrice. 4, 0, 1, 3. Now you have to multiply these together. You go 1 times 4, so you get, make sure you put them in brackets to keep it all neat, 1 times 4 plus negative 4 times 0, negative 4, 0. Now you move on to the second row, 3 times 4, 3 times 4, and negative 2 times 0. Negative 2 times 0. Now we move on to the second matrices in the second column. First is 1 times negative 1 plus negative 4 times negative 3. Now the second one, 3 times negative 1. What is going on? Anyway,
It gonna burn one up.
negative 2 times negative 3. Now you have to add all these together, which gets 4, 12, 11, and 3.
Cookie?
There you go, folks. Now I'll send this to the Italian professor just in case we made a few mistakes again.
Okay, let's see if the professor has made a few more mistakes. Here, character 2. Oh, it all looks good. Okay, now there's no mistakes. We'll send it back to the Professor X.
Cookie?
Looks like the professor has returned it. No mistakes.
Cookie?
Shut up, Trickman!
I hate you.
Shut up!
I will kill you.
You stupid freaking...
We're filming.
I hate that guy.
Yeah. Your head! Look at that! Well, you hit that, you hit it. That was my hand! Head.
Oh!
Dude, I think he just broke his door.
Directed by Darren Weaver. Produced and written by Brodie Warren. Effects, Brodie Warren. Random hero, Darren Weaver.
What are you doing?
Making a movie. We'll be done in an hour. You're a badass psychopath. Trickman, Kenny Moore. Mr. Redneck, Mike Elliott. Prof D, Joe Manno. Blonde curly-haired guy, Wyatt Hewlings. Man in Fargo hat, Mickey Columbus. Shut off, man! Back off. Kenny, check this out, man. Kenny, ready? Ready? Get me. Oh,
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
More human flesh. I mean, the end.
WTF, mate?
The best part about LAO is we set things on fire. Get it on there good. Set it on fire.
How do you do this? I'll skate it.
Whoa!
I'm gonna skate. Oh shit. I can't.
Come on, hold on.
Somebody got shit.
Hold it. Get ready.
There might be ignitables over there. Turn her over, boy. Crazy.